Hello everybody, this is Gavin from Fresh Eco Steam Cleaning, and today we're gonna do this car right behind me. If you can see, Toyota Corolla. There's some stains on the seats. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use steam and steam only to not only remove the stain but also sanitize the seats as well. I think it's like some food, milk, juice, stuff like that. That was messed up the seats. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you the process that we do to remove the stains. All right, so here we are in the Toyota Corolla, and I'm gonna just focus on this area right here. Obviously there's other stains in the vehicle, but for this demonstration only, I'm gonna just work on these stains right here. As you can see, typical stains in the car. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn on the machine, the steam, show you how we steam it out. No chemicals, nothing, just steam and a vacuum. All right, so here we go. We're gonna go ahead and steam it, and then what I'm gonna do on my end, I'm gonna vacuum. So steam and vacuum. You ready? Here comes the steam. And I'll try to do this with one hand. Hopefully you can see. Go ahead. All right, so let's see what happened here. 1 second here. Not the best of the camera. And there you go. You can see the stain is gone. Wait, you see this white spot right here? Focus on that. Looks like it was milk, so we'll try and go ahead and steam that one right now. Come with the vacuum to suck up all the water. Hit it one more time. Okay. There you go. It's gone. All right, so now this is the stain right here, and what I'll do on this one, I'll actually trace positions, because I notice when I'm vacuuming, the screen is shaking. So I'll go on the other side and spray, and then come on this side to vacuum. All right, so I switch sides now. I'm on this side, and I'm gonna go ahead and steam. You steam and extract. So as you can see, little stain right here. We'll come back and get it. Part where the white stuff is pretty much gone. Now we have this stain right here we're going to work on. But before we do that, I'm going to hit this spot right here, and then we're going to vacuum it up real quick. Here we go. The steam, what it actually does is breaks up the stain, and the vacuum actually pulls it away before any liquid can actually go into the cushions and soak the cushions. So now we're going to tackle this stain right here. There's 1, 2, 3. And then we'll do it a couple more times. But as you can see, the stain is pretty much gone. No chemicals whatsoever, just steam and our vacuum. And as you can see here, of course it's going to look a little discolored because it's wet. Run the vacuum right here. You see? Now it's pretty much dry. It's dry to the touch, it's just a little cold, so it's probably damp still. But pretty much that's how we remove the stains with steam. As you can see, we did no harmful chemicals. Nothing, we just use steam and a vacuum. Stain over here is gone. There's a couple of stains inside here. The camera probably, nope, can't pick it up. But what we'll do is we'll actually do the exact same process that we did before. And look at this seat. It's a little touch right here. Let me hit it with the steam. Here we go. That's all it took. One more. Yeah, it's pretty much gone. Seat is wet to the touch, but the cushion below, it's not wet at all. And I've known that some other people, when they did their detailing, they had issues where the seat got too wet and damaged components inside the seat. You know, components such as, you know, they have heated seats. Some of them have sensors for the airbags in there. The sensors to move the chair back and forth. Well, not really sensors, you know, the controls. But this method right here, the seat will be dry by the time we're done with the entire vehicle, and this vehicle is pretty much ready to go. But yep, that's how we do it. So this was Gavin from Fresh Eco Steam Cleaning, just showing you a quick demonstration on how we actually remove the stains from your seat. Thanks, bye.